after using the bat for 2 minutes. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul. After using the bat for 2 minutes. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul.
Can have wings. We also have a Mangkok's Kinalas, Kape ni Manoy and Doña Osan Catering Services. Maraming salamat po.
And gusto ko rin i-acknowledge ang ating online viewers sa ating Bucal Facebook page and GNTV Sports TV Facebook page. But now, ngayon, Frances, alamin at tawagin natin ang courtside ng ating Rams kung kumusta ang ambience, kumusta ang spirit ng team ng Shepherdville Rams. Tawagin natin si Janelle. Hello Janelle, kumusta? Ano ang update dyan?
Thank you, Francis and Russell. Magandang hapon sa lahat ng nakatutok ngayon sa Bucal Season 4. Mapa-livestream man at mapa-live dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium. It's another day and another game for the Shepherdville Rams, and I'm with the head coach of Shepherdville Rams, Coach Eduardo Contente Jr. So good afternoon, Coach. Today is your third game with 1 lose and 1 win. Ano po yung mga naging preparations nyo sa game na to?
For this game, we prepared for our defense, so we know that Annunciation College is very an offensive threat on the floor. So all week long we prepared for our defense. So let's see what the outcome is.
Okay po. So ngayon, ano po yung mga nilook forward nyo sa game na to?
We're looking forward to execute our defense properly. So as long as we can execute our defense properly, hopefully we can win the game. But this is gonna be a tough one because we know that Annunciation College is one of the toughest team in our bracket. So it's gonna be a battle today. So let us see.
Thank you so much, Coach. And thank you po. Let's sit back, relax, and para sa mga ating hardcore viewers and live stream viewers, speaking of live, you can watch our live stream to the official Facebook page of GNTV-Naga and share it through your timelines with our official hashtag Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Ayun, maraming salamat Janelle sa paghatid ng balita coming from the side of the Shepherdville Rams. Ayun, kaabang-abang Frances ang ipapakitang depensa ng ating Rams. And for us to know the spirit and the ambience from the side of the Panthers, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kim. Hello Kim, kamusta? At ano ang update dyan?
Yes, Russell and Francis, matapos nga ang kanilang matagumpay na laban kontra USA Falcons last October 8, ngayon ay handa naman silang iuwi ang kanilang ikalawang panalo, this time against the Shepherdville Rams. Mga kaibigan, this is Kimberly de Alanes, all set para ihatid sa inyo mga may init na courtside stories right from the bench of the Annunciation Panthers. Well, nakausap ko nga si Coach Ron Almanzar and he said that they evaluated their recent performance pero despite their win, marami pa rin ang dapat trabahuhin katulad ng team
chemistry at team endurance. This is an important game for us, kaya gagawin namin ang lahat para makuha ang panalo. Ika nga ni Coach Ron. Mga kaibigan, that is something that we should look forward to. Kaya naman, keep tuning in to Bucal Season 4 only here on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Ayun, maraming salamat, Kim, sa update na binigay mo coming from the bench of the Panthers. Ayun, abang-abang ito, Rona, ang ating labanan dahil ang Rams ay 1 win, 1 loss, while the Annunciation Panthers meron na silang isa palang panalo at wala pang talo.
And habang nagre-report nga ang ating courtside reporters na si Kim and si Janelle, ay mayroon na tayong score at 2 against 3 and lamang ang Annunciation Panthers.
Ayun, masyado pang maaga pero talagang sabi nga ni yung kausap ni Janelle kanina, one of the coaches of the Rams, talagang magiging mainit itong laban na to. And there's a 3-pointer from number 10 of the Shepherdville Rams. Ball game tayo, mga kaibigan. Bola ng Panthers, number 15, Manlapas. Setting up a play. Fakes. Pass number 2. Nice one pass, pero may kasamang foul. Number 5 of the Rams committed a foul, and number 16 Almine of the Annunciation will step on the line for a free throw.
And Russell, pasalamatan natin yung mga kasama nating referee ngayong araw, ang SBP Naga Elite Referee, headed by Sir Eman Faraon. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much sa ating magigiting at makikisig na mga referee. Number 16 for the last throw. Jumper's ready and is good for his last throw. Shepherdville Rams. Bola po ng Rams, heavily guarded by the Annunciation, and they successfully passed that defense. Pero andon si number 29, Fajardo, defending the rim. Bola pa rin po ng ating Rams. Number 9 will set an inbound play. Pass to number 11, 5 for 3, no good. Pero andon number 2 of Rams, rebounded. Number 16, crossing the court. Pass to number 15, number 15, fires a 3, and it's good for a 3-pointer. Number 15, Manlapas of the Panthers.
Sean Wesley Manlapas, number 15.
Ayun, number 8, number 5. 3-pointer from number 9. Ayun, Rona, sinagot agad ng ating Rams ang tres na binigay sa atin ng Panthers.
Sinagot agad yan ni Ami Bares ng number 9.
There's a turnover committed by the Panthers. Bola po ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
Grabe, sagutan agad ng 3 points, Russell.
Ayun agad. Masyadong ang ating sagutan ng puntos. No good. Bola ng Panthers. Cross-court pass. Pero nabitawan, pero andun pa rin ang kanyang kampe to recover the ball. Number 16, setting a play. Pass to number 17, fakes. Pero pinakita ang ating referee for a traveling violation. Bola. Turnover po. Bola ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
And shout out kay John Kenneth and shout out din kay Ramil Zape. Thank you for watching.
Yun, maraming salamat po. Number 9 of Rams drives, fakes, pass to number 10, fakes, number 10, kicks out to number 9 for a 3-pointer. No good, pero na-rebound ni Sabio, number 17 of the Panthers. Transition play, napakita sa atin ngayon ng Panthers, pero masyadong napalakas ang pasa ni number 15, and that's a turnover from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Our score is 8-7 with 7 minutes and 5 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Number 9 setting an inbound play, finding his teammate. Inside pass, fakes, pass to number 8, Belong-Belo, and is good for a short jumper. Number 8 of the Shepherdville Rams. And nakakakuha pa nga ang ating number 8. Pass to number 10. Inside pass, tax fake, and ay sayang noon. Nakala ko makakakuha pa ng end one play ang ating number 8.
Sayang yung agaw ni number 8 at Nunez.
Yun, sa isang replay, napakagandang fake ang pinakita sa atin ng number 8. Number 8, step on the line for a 2 free throws. And it's good for his first throw. Jumpers ready for the second throw. 10-7 po, lamang pa rin ang ating Rams. Last throw. And it's good for his last throw. And there will be a substitution. Pasok po si number 19 ng ating Panthers. Lalabas si Sabio at papasok si Obregon. Nice one pass na binigay sa atin ni Matos. Back to number 10. Matos for 3. A long 3-pointer and it's good for a long 3-pointer. What a shot. Napaka-confident ng tira na yon. Pero talagang ito si Matos, partner. Nung nakaraang laro niya, siya rin yung gumagawa ng malalayong tres dito sa pupunan ng ating Panthers. Bola ng ating Rams. Number 11. Finds his teammate. Pass to number 8. Number 8 drives the ball. No good, pero ninangyang kampe for a offensive rebound. Gawa ng bola. And ball possession will remain on the side of the Shepherdville Rams. Number 10. Inbound play. Pass to number 8. Back to number 10. Number 10, finding his teammate. Number 11, Bucal, finding his teammate. Setting a play, calling a play, and he shot for a 3-pointer, and it's good for a 3-point shot from number 11, Bucal.
What, Bucal?
Ayun. Number 15, number 29, Fajardo, ang big man ng ating Annunciation Panthers. And ito rin, nung nakaraan, siya ang ating best player of the game, Frances. Grabe, pinapakitang offensive stance ng ating bawat pupunan. Palitan lang ang ating score. Napagandang pasa na binigay ni Matos sa kanyang kakampi. Number 9, one-on-one to the big man of the Panthers. Fakes, pero nakuha. There's a steal by, pero nakuha pa rin ng ating Rams. Number 9, Vivares. And the referee saw that violation. Stepping on the line, itatawag sa ating Shepherdville Rams.
5 minutes and 14 seconds para sa ating first quarter and lamang ng isang puntos ang Shepherdville Rams.
Yun, isang puntos lang po ang inahabol ngayon ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Number 16, Almin. Back to number 10, Matos. Pass to number 19. Ulit kay Matos for a long 3-pointer, but no good. Rebound number 3, Lumabe of the Panthers. Fakes and his teammate patiently waiting and pass to number 5, Martinez. Number 10, letting a play. Fires for 3 and is good for a 3-pointer. Masyadong maaga ang ating umuulan ng tres.
Galing yan kay Arenyo, number 10.
Kanina, bago magsimula ang laro ito, napakalakas ng ulan dito. At kahit dito sa loob ng ating hardcourt, umuulan rin.
Ng tres?
Ng tres. Umuulan ng tres. There's a substitution. Number 4, Rico will enter. And number 13, Ariscon of the Annunciation Panthers will enter the court. Number 9, Vivares. He sent an inbound play. You only have 4 minutes and 30 seconds left for our first quarter, 18-14. Lamang po ng 4 ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Number 3, Lumabe. Napakabilis. Pass to number 4, Rico. 6 out to number 9, Vivares. Fakes, drives. Fakes ulit. And this goal. Oh, sayang. Luluhan, in and out para kay Vivares. Akala ko papasok na raw na eh.
Pinaasa tayo doon.
Pinaasa. Minsan talaga, masakit rin umasa mga kaibigan. Kaya, don't expect unless otherwise stated.
Ayun, may baon ka ngayon.
Yun nga. Pull-up shot from number 2, no good. Pero ando ng ating rebound pa rin. Si number 10, Matos. Number 19 for 3, no good. And bola, tapika ng bola. Bola po ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
And shout out po kay Jeff Person Bagtinga, go 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 Ron Sorsogon Panthers. And shout out din kay Mary Rose Bauka, good luck. Number 5 Martinez of Shepherdville Rams.
Okay, mukhang maganda ang ating scoring dito, Frances, kasi first quarter pa lang, kita natin yung palitan ng scoring ng ating dalawang kupunan. Napaka-efficient ng ating both teams ngayong hapon, mga kaibigan. Kaya siguradong napakaganda ng ating laban ngayong hapon. Tutok lang po kayo, huwag kayong aalis. And please don't forget to share and like our Facebook pages. So, Bucal Facebook page and GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon Facebook page. Number 10. Setting a play, calling a play. Pass to number 2. The big man of Annunciation, back to number 19. Drives the ball, pass to number 2. Short jumper, no good, and there's a block from the Shepherdville Rams. And this play, number 9, Vivares. Number 9, and it's good for a layup shot. Number 9, Vivares of Rams. What a defense na pinapakita ng ating Rams, pero there's a transition play na binigay sa atin ng Annunciation Panthers, number 2.
Maganda yung laban na Russell, bawian agad.
Yes, bawian agad ng puntos. Labas ang bola, pero mananatili po ang ball possession sa kampo ng Shepherdville Rams. Number 9, fires a 3, and it's good! Nakakaya na tayong 3 kayong
Si
hapon.
Vivares, kanino pa si Vivares?
Makikita natin mamaya sa ating napakagandang ikot ngayon, and it's good! What a spin move binigay sa atin ng Shepherdville Rams. And we have a timeout goal by the Annunciation Panthers. Score 20-16. Lamang pa rin po ang Shepherdville Rams. And live po tayo dito sa GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium, and you're still watching at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Short jumper using the block. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul. Short jumper using the block. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang aksyon dito sa loob ng GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium para sa naabangang Bucal Season 4. At eto nga, Russell, patapos na ang ating first quarter, 25 against 16, and lamang pa rin ang Shepherdville Rams.
Napakagandang play na pinapakita, mga plays na pinapakita ng ating both teams, mga kaibigan. And we are back for the remaining 2 minutes and 54 seconds sa ating first quarter. 25-16. Lamang po ngayon ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Number 19. Crossing the court. Back to number 10. Matos. Pagandang pasa noon. Belong-belo si number 13. Hugo Step, pero nandun ang depensa ng ating Rams. Number 3, Lumabe, drives, kicks out to number 24, fires for 3, and it's good for a 3-pointer. Del Rosario ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Napagandang cross-court pass yun. Number 16, fires for 3 of Panthers. Air ball, andon ang number 4 ng Shepherdville Rams. Pass to number 24, number 24, number 8, number 9. Napagandang give and take noon, and napagandang pass noon. Kita natin ngayon ang chemistry na binibigay sa atin ng Shepherdville Rams. And coming from the timeout of the Annunciation Panthers, alamin natin kung ano ba yung magiging adjustment at game plan ng ating Panthers. Kim, kumusta? Ano ang update during the timeout?
Yes, Russell and Francis, it's a decent start for our Annunciation Panthers dito sa ating first quarter kung saan nagkakasagutan agad ng 3 ang dalawang kupunan. Russell and Francis, I was able to talk to the team captain ng Panthers, Mark Lester Matos, and he said that they work hard these past days to capitalize strategies para makontra ang trapping tactic na madalas gamitin ng Shepherdville Rams. He also added na gagawin nila ang lahat ng kanilang makakaya para maiuwi ang second win this afternoon. During naman the timeout, as per Coach Ron, huwag dadalhin ang bola sa corner at mas paigtingin ang komunikasyon sa bawat miyembro. Yan muna ang latest mula dito. Balik sa inyo, Russell and Francis.
Maraming salamat, Kim, sa iyong update. Yun nga, sabi nga ng ating head coach sa ating Panthers, paigtingin pa ang komunikasyon. It's all about communication inside the hard court. Remaining time natin, 1 minute and 17 seconds, 32-19. Lamang pa rin po ang Shepherdville Rams. Bola ngayon ng ating Rams. Number 12. There's an attempted steal pero they did not capitalize that attempted steal. Number 3, Lumabe. Napakagandang pasa nun sa loob pero wala pa rin. Nandun ang depensa ng ating Panthers. Number 7. No good. There's a steal. Turnover. Number 3, Lumabe. Ang gandang pasa nun pero wala. Pero andun si number 24 for a follow through. Steal pa rin ng ating Rams. Number 3. Setting a play. Kapaganda ng pinapakita ng ating Rams ngayong hapon mga kaibigan, pero ang depensa rin ng ating Panthers andun pa rin. And there's an attempted 3 pero wala. Rebound pa rin ng ating Rams. Wala, pero andun po ang ating Panthers as to get the ball and may tatawagan na foul ang ating referee. It's gonna be number 3 of the Panthers.
21 seconds para sa ating first quarter and 34-19 lamang ang Shepherdville Rams. And shout out kay Mean Geruela watching from Bulan, Sorsogon. Maraming salamat po sa mga Sorsogano na nakaabang sa ating FB Live.
Ayun, maraming salamat po. And thank you sa pagtangkilik ng ating Bucal and pagsuporta sa inyong kupunan. We only have 14 seconds left sa ating first quarter, 34 against 19. And on the line, number 19 of the Panthers, attempting his first throw. And it's good for his first free throw. Number 19, Obregon. Jumpers ready for the last throw. Let's see if he will complete the 2 given free throws, and it's good for a 2 free throws. 14 seconds left sa ating first quarter. Napangandang pasa noon sa ating number 3 pero wala. Nandun si number 29, big man ng ating Panthers. Only have 5 seconds left. Napagandang pasa noon at sayang. Pero andun pa rin si Matos for a follow-up shot. And that's gonna be the end of our first quarter. 34-21. Lamang pa rin po ang 23-34. Lamang pa rin po ang ating Shepherdville Rams. And we're still live here at GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium. And nunod pa rin po kayo dito sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back for the second quarter.
Bilis.
Short jumper using the back.
tuloy-tuloy ang aksyon dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Shepherdville Rams versus the Annunciation College of Bucal SORSOGON Panthers. And eto na nga, Russell, nasa second quarter na tayo.
Mga, Frances, ano ba yung mga napansin mo sa ating nakaraang first quarter?
Andun yung palitan agad ng tres galing sa mga masisipag na players ng bawat team, and andun yung mahigpit na depensa ng Rams and Panthers.
Ayun, abangan natin ang ating halftime analysis para makita natin kung ilan ba yung nagawang tres ng ating bawat kupunan, di ba, Frances? We are back po for the second quarter, 36-23 para sa ating day 3 ng Bucal Season 4.
Day 4, Russell.
Day 4 pala ako, day 4, day 3 pala kahapon. Sana linggo pala ngayon. Number 2, transition play, number 19, and may kasama pang foul from the Shepherdville Rams. And he will step on the line for his first throw.
And pasalamatan natin yung mga Bucal executives.
Okay,
Russell.
take away, partner.
We have Founder Emeritus Father Danilo Imperial, President Engineer Mario Villanueva, Vice President Ruel Rosales, Secretary Don Razon, Treasurer Joseph Eric Claro, Auditor Dwight Lamit, Board Members Francisco Para Jr., John Francis Rea Lubit, Commissioner for Bucal Season 4 Don Razon, and Bucal Season 4 Secretariat Sofia Benemerito.
And coming from the break, I mean the end of the first quarter, despite of their lead, alamin natin galing sa ating courtside reporter from the bench of the Rams kung ano ba yung magiging game plan at plano o ano pa yung magiging adjustment pa nila para sa susunod na mga quarters. Janelle, kamusta? Anong update dyan?
Thank you, Francis and Russell. We can see that the Rams are heavily guarded by the Panthers, and makikita natin na sa first quarter na mas pinapalakas nila ang kanilang depensa at nagkakaroon sila ng malaking agwat laban sa Panthers. During the huddle, coach said to always look for the best opportunity to have the good shot, and one of the players said na ang malaking advantage sa kanila ay ang kanilang height. And he always keep reminding the boys to take advantage of their slow transition defense. Ito lamang ang update dito. Balik sa inyo.
Update, and yun nga, so papaigtingin pa rin ang depensa ng ating Rams. Back to the ball game tayo, mga kaibigan. Bola po ngayon ng ating the Shepherdville Rams. Pasa kay number 4, Rico. What a fake, and it's good for a 2-pointer coming from a transition play. Ayun, there's gonna be a foul from the Shepherdville Rams. Yun po, shout out sa ating mga online viewers, especially kay Ate Popo na nag-celebrate ngayon ng kanyang birthday. Happy birthday po, Ate Popo, and shout out rin kay Kuya Primo. Hello, Kuya Primo.
Shout out din kay Andrew Bergantinos, watching from Ginlacone. And shout out din kay Francie Sanchez. Maraming salamat sa aming FB Live viewers.
Yun, maraming salamat po sa ating online blue. Number 10, long 3-pointer, and it's good. Pangalawa niya na yan. Diyos, ang grabe. Pangalawang long distance 3-pointer na yon ni Matos. Number 3, setting a play. Pass to number 5. Inside pass, pero andon si Matos to stop their offense.
7 minutes and 48 seconds pa rin ang natitirang oras para sa ating second quarter. 45 against the 28 lamang pa rin ang Shepherdville Rams.
Ayun, isa na naman tres po ang nakita natin, mga kaibigan. Umuulan ng tres dito sa loob ng ating hardcourt. Number 19, 4-3. In and out, no good. Andun ang ating Rams to get the rebound. Number 24. Crossing the court. Letting a play. Finding his teammate. Pass to the big man, number 8. Kicks out to number 9 for a 3-pointer. No good. Pero nakuha ng ating Panthers ang bola. Number 2. And there's gonna be a turnover from the side of the Panthers. There's gonna be a substitution, lalabas at magpapahinga ng sandali ang ating number 24 of the Rams.
And napansin ko, Russell, yung masisipag yung number 10. Pero silang number 10 ngayon. Number 10, si Matos from Panthers. And number 10 na si Areño. Sila yung mga nagpapaula na kanina ng
I believe parehas ata sila. Ang posisyon nila parang point guard parehas yung dalawang. Pero andun, para si number 3 pala point guard dito. Number 3, apakabilis. Coming from a steal, no good. Rebound ni Matos. Labanan ng bilis dito mga kaibigan. And there's gonna be a foul from number 10. Napagandang matchup to. Number 10, number 3. Parehas mabilis.
And good luck to my school, Annunciation, from Sean Gabriel Guevara Buncia. Shoutout din kay Ed Anthony Sanoy from Wilmar Bombase.
Yo, maraming salamat po. At may nakitang violation ng ating referee. There's gonna be a traveling violation. Itatawag sa ating Annunciation Panthers. At nakita naman natin dito, Frances, lumadagdag na po ang ating live audience. Kanina, konti pa lang, pero habang tumatakbo ang oras at ang laban na ito, dumadagdag na rin ang ating live audience dito sa GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium.
At hindi rin nagpapatalo ang FB Live viewers kanina kalahat. And kanina, 250, gaya na 500 plus na.
Wow, maraming salamat po sa suporta na binibigay nyo dito sa ating Bucal Season 4. Napagandang pass na number 19 drives the ball, pero andon si number 8 to stop. Pero nakakuha nga ng pushing foul.
At syempre papasalamatan natin yung sa live coverage ang GNTV-48 Sports TV.
Maraming salamat. Meron tayo ditong substitution, lalabas, pagpapahinga muna ng sandali, number 28 and number 3.
And ngayon tawagin muli natin ang ating kasamang courtside reporter na si Kim, all the way from the Annunciation College Panthers bench. Hi Kim, for this report, what happened during the timeout?
Yes, Russell and Francis, tight zone defense ang itinatapon ng kabilang kupunan. Kaya naman nag-adjust ng game plan si Coach Ron. We're in for this quarter. Mas kailangan nilang i-triple ang kanilang effort at maging matalino sa bawat pagkakataon na mahawakan ng bola. Tingnan ang bola, tingnan ang tao at siguraduhin ang bawat tira upang makapuntos. Ika nga ni Coach Ron. Russell and Francis.
Maraming salamat Kim sa update mula sa side ng ating Panthers. 48 to 31, lamang pa rin po ang ating Shepherdville Rams, and we only have 5 minutes and 47 seconds left sa ating second quarter. Number 10. Napakagandang pasa noon. Nakita pa pala yun ng ating number 10 ng Panthers. Number 8. Sayang no, in and out. Pero nakakuha pa rin ng foul, and he will step on the line for a 2 given free throws. On the line is number 8, De La Torre. First throw is good. Ay, in and out. Jumper's ready for the last and second throw, and it's good for Shepherdville Rams. With the score 48 to 32, lamang pa rin po ang Shepherdville Rams, and you will have 5 minutes and 35 seconds left. Live na live po tayo dito sa GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium, and you're still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
After using the block, all the way, number 2 makes in a foul. after using the block. 2 points. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Welcome back, viewers. Andito muli kami para sa Bucal Season 4. Dito lang yan sa GNTV-48. And 48 against 32. Lamang pa rin ang Shepherdville Rams. 5 minutes and 20 seconds para sa ating second quarter.
At ayun, the coach of the Shepherdville Rams will request for a replay. And we'll wait for the announcement of our table officials. Maraming salamat sa live coverage natin sa atin ng GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Don't forget to share and like their Facebook page.
Ayan yung instant replay.
Yun. Di-review ng ating mga table officials. Pero di ba, grabe no, partner? Talagang kaabang-abang ang laban na ito. Given ang ating annunciation, wala pang talo. And I believe they're trying to preserve and to maintain that winning streak. While the Shepherdville Rams, of course, 1-1 sila ngayon. Pero of course, they're also trying to extend their winning streak. Okay? Ayun. So, maraming salamat sa ating replay hatid sa inyo ng GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Beauty na lang. So, pasalamat tayo dahil merong replay. Maraming salamat.
Napakalinaw ng live coverage, Russell.
And bola pa rin po ngayon ng ating Panthers. 48 to 32 with 5 minutes and 18 seconds. Number 16. Number 10, Matos. Fakes, drives. Napakagandang Eurostep yun. And it's good for a 2-pointer. Napakabilis ni Matos. Kumagat sa fake. Number 17. Number 11. Pass to number 4. Then the possession will remain on the side of the Shepherdville Rams.
And sa mga nagtatanong po kung ano ang second game mamaya, Mariners Blue Dolphins versus the USI Falcons. Sa rin to, partner, kaabang-abang and siguradong magsisipasukan yung mga fans ng Blue Dolphins and Falcons dito sa ating
supporters ng ating Mariners in from Mariners and USI. There's turnover na nakomit ng ating Panthers. Bola ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams. Number 9, Rivera. Setting a play. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Carrying the ball. And may nakita ang ating referee. Number 8. That's gonna be a turnover from the side of the Rams. Number 10, Matos. Pass to number 16. Pass to the big man of our Annunciation. No good, pero nakuha niya pa rin. Pero nakasabit ng foul ang ating number 8. De La Torre.
And shout out po kay Kimberly Madayag Martos. Happy viewing. Shout out din kay Meana Garuela and kay Mark Lester Matos. Thank you. And shout out din po sa anak kong jersey number 5, Paul Martinez. Go Shepherdville from Macau.
Ayun, and shout out din sa iyo, Mitch. Hello Mitch, kamusta ka dyan? Sana palagi kang masaya. Shout out sa iyo, Mitch Carrascal.
Shout out kay Mitch.
Last throw para sa ating number 8, De La Torre, and is good for his last throw. Bola ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Number 4, Rico. Will set a play. Number 8. Number 9. Number 9. Finding his teammate. Pass to number 12. Napakagandang pasa nun.
And tawagin natin na si Kim Russell for a quick update. Hi Kim, ano ang update dyan sa bench ng Panthers?
Yes, Russell and Francis secure the is ni Coach Ron na gawin ng ating Panthers for the remaining minutes of the second quarter. Coach Ron also gave emphasis to the effective positioning na dapat gawin ng bawat guards considering na lamang pa rin ang kabilang kupunan. Well, yan muna ang latest dito. Back to the panel.
At ayun, maraming salamat Kim sa quick update from the side of the Panthers. And yun nga, may nakita tayong 3-pointer dito. And sabi nga ni Coach Ron sa kanyang kukupunan, secure the rim. So aasahan natin dito, Frances, na mas papaigtingin ang depensa ng ating Annunciation Panthers.
And pati na rin yung effective positioning ng players ng Panthers.
Yes. Kumbaga sa chess, kung sa chess pinag-aaralan rin ang kung di ako nagkakamali kasi di naman ako naglalaro, pero based on my observation na rin, no? Meron din mga positioning na ginagawa sa chess, diba? The queen.
Yung kada move and andun yung pattern recognition na Russell.
Dahil dito sa ating basketball, meron din tayo dito secure. Okay, secure the rim. Number 10, Matos. Jumpers ready for his last throw. No good, pero meron nakita ang ating referee. Tatawagan si number 4, holding foul. And another 3-point free throws na binigay sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Numbers 8 on the line. De La Torre. 53-38. Lamang pa rin po ang Rams with 3 minutes and 29 seconds.
And a shoutout po kay Feben Lumabi from Yaki Pestinan. Shoutout din kay Mark Richard Pascor. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po. Magandang pasa nun. Number 3, finding his teammate. Patiently setting the play. Kicks out to number 4. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Fires for 3. No good. Pero andun pa rin si number 9. Short jumper. Wala pa rin. At kapika ng bola. Bola pa rin ng ating Shepherdville Rams. And there's substitution. Number 25 will enter the court. Inbound play. Papakita sa atin yon ng Shepherdville Rams. Pass to number 12. Napakagandang knockout play na binigay sa atin ng Shepherdville Rams. Number 10 crossover. Pass to number 16. Number 10 Matos. Fires for a long 3-pointer. No good. Pero andun si number 9. Number 9 drives the ball. And but he kicks out. Pero wala yung kakampi niya doon. Number 8 transition play. No goal, pero andun pa rin ang follow-up shot ni number 16 ng ating Annunciation Panthers. 15 ang hinahabol ng ating Panthers, mga kaibigan.
And meron pa rin tayong 2 minutes and 20 seconds sa ating second quarter.
Another 2 points from the side of the Shepherdville Rams. Number 10, Matos. Ang bilis, napakabilis. Pass to number 2. Back to number 10. Ay, binali pa! And it's good! For that 2-pointer by Matos. Napagandang paliod. Kumbaga, there's gonna be a foul on the side of the Panthers. Substitution. Papasok po si number 13, Ariscon. At papahinga muna si number 8, De La Torre, para sa ating second quarter. We only have 1 minute and 52 seconds. 57-42. Napagandang box out yun from number 3. And meron pa rin for the third chance. Pero wala. Rebound ng ating Annunciation. Pero naagaw ng ating Rams. Tatawagan ng traveling violation si number 3. Bola ngayon ng ating Panthers. Papasok si number 15, Manlapas. And number 17, Sabio. Number 15, crossing the court. Back to number 17. Kicks out to number 2 for 3-pointer. Wala. Doon, transition play. Ang ihatid sa atin ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams. Number 9, Vivares. Number 10. Number 3. Back to number 25. Pull-up shot. No good. Pero rebounded by... they still managed to rebound and get the ball possession. Number 9 for a 3-pointer. No good. Pero andun pa rin ang ating Shepherdville Rams for an offensive rebound. We only have 48 seconds left sa ating second quarter. Number 2, pass to number 13. Wala pa rin pero andun pa rin ang kupunan ng ating Panthers. 33 seconds left. Number 3, spin move. No good. Pero there's a foul on the side of the Panthers. And there's a timeout called by the Shepherdville Rams. The score 59-44 with only 29 seconds left sa ating second quarter. Dito pa rin po kami sa Ateneo-Naga University Gymnasium and you're still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
We are back alive here at Ateneo-Naga University Gymnasium para rin sa live coverage ng Bucal Season 4. 59 against 44 lamang ang Shepherdville Rams and segundo na lang ang natitirang oras sa ating second quarter.
At mukhang may papakitang play ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Kabang-abang ito, partner. Shoutout sa iyo, Coach JR Parco. Maraming salamat po at sana andito ka kasama namin. Ingat po at God bless, Coach.
Napakabait na coach and napaka-kind.
5 seconds shot. Number 10 fires for 3. No good. Pero andun pa rin si number 25 to get the rebound. Second chance effort. And there's gonna be a block. What a stop by the Panthers. Another inbound play na ipapakita sa atin ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Number 12 fires for 3. No good. Pero andun na ang ating Panthers to get the rebound with 4 seconds left. Number 15 uses the glass, no good. Rounded by number 12, and that's gonna be the end of our second quarter. 59-44, lamang pa rin po ang Shepherdville Rams. At dito pa rin tayo para sa Bucal Season 4. Live na live tayo dito sa Ateneo-Naga University Gymnasium, and you're still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back for our halftime analysis.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
From Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated, your courtside reporter this Bucal Season 4. Isa sa mga pinagkakabalan ko is to focus on my academics and involve ako sa mga organizations sa loob ng school namin. Also, I'm a volunteer on several organizations outside my school and sa lugar namin. And since pinaglalaanan ko ng oras ang academics ko ngayon, isa sa reason dahil 2 years from now, I'll be graduating from my course Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management sa Mariners Naga. As your courtside reporter, ihahatid ko sa inyo ang update about sa team, hindi lang kung saan ako nanggaling na school, kundi sa iba't ibang colleges na involved ngayong Bucal Season 4.
Sa oras ng sakuna, isa sa mga kailangan natin sa ating tahanan ay isang go bag. Ang isang go bag ay naglalaman ng tubig, mga dilata at biscuits upang hindi tayo magutom, energy bars or energy drink, first aid kit, communication devices tulad ng flashlights at batteries, whistles o pito, portable radio at extra cellphone. Mas mabuti kung meron tayong prepaid load guard. Tools tulad ng Swiss knife at gunting. Maaari din tayo magdagdag ng lubid. At huwag natin kakalimutan ang hygiene kit na naglalaman ng sabon, tissue, toothpaste, toothbrush at face mask. Sa lahat ng oras, laging bukas, nakahanda ang aming tanggapan. Tandaan, ang Bicolanong alerto, pirming protektado.
Naghahanap ka ba ng one-day printing? Look for AET Ads. We offer tarpaulin printing, billboards, panoflex, laser cutting, and stainless for quality signages and many more. Your signage is the face of your business. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? I-level up mo na ang signages at billboard mo. Matatagpuan sa Pabidon 4, Door 5, Panganiban Drive, Naga City, in front of Boy Scout and Girl Scout of the Philippines. Sa Central Branch, located at Barangay Dinaga, Naga City, Salbay, Barangay Sagbon, Daraga Albay. For inquiries, you may call or text at 205-5322 or 0998-952-7485 and look for Mr. Willis Soliman. AET Ads ka na, your one-day quality printing. This event is brought to you by Naga College Foundation, the home of the champions. Enroll now for as low as 2,000 pesos. For more details, visit www.ncf.edu.ph. Lemon Residences, your newest home of the champions and the metro. Open for daily, weekly, and monthly bookings. Located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, and enjoy a sip of coffee and Septus meals at Tiger's Cafe, located at second level of Lemon Residences. Dream travel? Achieve yan sa Nagayon Travel and Tours. Enjoy a hassle-free travel with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Visit their office at NCF Annex Building, Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, or call us 0966-486-0043. At NCF Annex Building, there is the Tiger's Loft, a business center that first to offer a co-working space in Naga. Grow your business at the Tiger's Loft. Swim like a champion at NCF Training Pool. Avail their swimming lessons until the end of July at a very affordable rates. Contact Coach Joseph Tena at 0949-447-2792. Drive with confidence with NCF Driving School. Avail their theoretical driving course and practical driving course. For beginners, NCF Driving School is LTO accredited.
Hi everyone, my name is Kimberly Dialenes from Naga College Foundation, your courtside reporter for Bucal Season 4. I am a student journalist, a student leader. I also like taking care of my cats and visiting coffee shops. I am so thrilled and excited to be one of your courtside reporters for this season of Bucal. Kaya naman, samahan po ninyo ako para sa mga updates, diskusyon at mga silip eksena at the courtside for this season of Bucal.
Ano po ang pagkaintindi mo kayang kagawa?
Ang katuyahan po, kan pagkakaigwa ng teleradyo, iyan tanganing mas komprehensibong maipaabot si mga bareta.
Ang nakapalaman sa satuya pong konstitusyon. Ingat lang ta, medyo may COVID pa kita. Luwas mong makaning face mask.
Bako lang po sa radyo,
Asintado!
sa Facebook o social media, kundi pati po sa telebisyon.
Mayo man paulit-ulit. Pagbago na naman ang presidente, arog na naman kayan.
Ako, si Joe Osabal, sa Asintado sa Telerad, digdi sa GNTV-48 Naga.
Magsama-sama tayong magbalitaan at kwentuhan dito sa GNTV-48 Naga.
Mas pinalinaw, mas pinalakas, mas pinalawak. Ang GNTV-48 Naga, digital na! Kung ang inyong TV sets ay digital ready na, pindutin ang scan o search channel button at makikita ang GNTV Channel 48. Maaaring gumamit ng indoor o outdoor antenna para sa mas klarong panonood. Ganito rin ang gagawin kung kayo ay gumagamit ng digital box. Sa mga susunod na araw, asahan ang mga programang malapit sa puso ng mga Bicolano.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Welcome in the half viewers, and ihahatid na namin sa inyo ang halftime analysis on our first 20 minutes of action. Kaya partner, kindly walk us through.
Ayun, nagtapos nga ang ating second quarter with 59-44 lamang ang ating Shepherdville Rams. At makita natin dito sa ating stats. Shout out sa ating court side statisticians. Maraming salamat po. Nakita natin dito ang 2-point field goal na binigay sa atin ng Shepherdville Rams. They have 55.56%, while the Panthers, they only have 40%, pero hindi nagkakalayo ang ating percentage. Lalong-lalo na sa 3-point field goal, partner, 39 to 38% naman sa atin. Pero siguro dahil napag-iwanan ng konti ang ating Panthers, kasi napansin ko yung points coming from points of turnovers natin, mas mataas po ang binigay sa atin ng Shepherdville Rams. Meron silang 9 points of turnovers, while the Annunciation Panthers meron lang silang 2. Kaya siguro dun rin medyo napag-iwanan ng ating Annunciation Panthers.
Maraming salamat sa ating statisticians na gumawa ng halftime analysis. Andyan si Angela Lapuente, Derrick Berse, Hanilin Salamat, Kyle Santiago, and Irish Silvestre.
Ayun, maraming salamat po. And let's see kung ano ang mangyayari sa ating second half ng ating laro ngayong hapon, mga kaibigan. And we are back to the ball game. Number 2.
And ngayon, Russell, tawagin muli natin ang ating kasamang courtside reporter na si Janelle, all the way from the Rams side. Hi Janelle, for this report, ano ang nangyari during the timeout?
Francis and Russell, and dito sa corner ng Rams, hindi lang umuulan ng tres dito, Francis and Russell, kundi umuulan din ng bilis dito sa corner ng Shepherdville Rams. Advice ni coach na palaging sundan ang game plan pattern para maiwasan sa kanilang team ang mga fouls. Kapag walang opportunity naman, always find a second better option. And during the huddle, the coaches keep on reminding the boys to always set the play and keep their defense tight. Wala munang kumpiyansa, huwag isipin na may lamang at balik ulit tayo 0. Ika nga ni Coach Eduardo. Yun lamang update dito, balik sa inyo.
So, maraming salamat. Narinig nga natin, Frances, yung sabi ng coaching staff and head coach ng ating Shepherdville Rams that they have to stick to their game plan patterns just to maintain their lead 59-46. Number 16 of the Panthers, pass to number 17. Muntik pang mabitawan pero they managed to recover it, and there's gonna be a turnover para sa ating Annunciation Panthers. At hindi narinig ko nga rin kanina, Francis, na they will still conducting their tight defense. Yun nga, nakita natin kanina mismo.
Na-apply naman
na-apply agad nila yung sinabi ng ating head coach sa ating mga players. Number 3, belong-belo sa tres, wala, and rebounded by the Annunciation Panthers, number 17, for a transition play. No good, pero andun si number 16 to recover the ball, and a follow through. Andun ang big man ng ating Panthers.
And Russell, ngayon, kanina napakinggan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Janelle, at ngayon naman, tawagin natin si Kim all the way from the Panthers side. Hi Kim, for this report, ano ang nangyari during the halftime break?
Yes, Russell and Francis, unti-unti na nga nakakahabol at nakaka-recover ang ating Annunciation Panthers. Pero during the halftime, Coach Ron have 2 quarters. Kaya pwede pang makahabol at makalamang sa ating Shepherdville Rams. Coach Ron also encourages players na pahalagahan ang bawat effort na ginagawa nila sa loob ng court at huwag papayag na napapagod sila pero hindi nakaka-convert to points. Ball screen at mas nakakasakal na depensa ang planong paigtingin ngayon ng Panthers kontra the Shepherdville Rams. So Russell and Francis.
Maraming salamat, Frances, sa quick update.
Kim.
Kim, para sa quick update from the side of the Panthers. Yun nga, napaka-positive ang advice ng head coach ng ating Panthers, no? May second quarter, may third quarter, may fourth quarter pa, at marami pang pwedeng mangyari sa natitirang 2 quarters ng ating laban ngayong hapon.
And a shout out po kay Angelo Adolfo from Daryl Bongat. Shout out din kay Leia Ferolino. And a shout out din kay Angelo Adolfo. Go, 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 Shepherd.
Ayun, maraming salamat. Setting a play. Sprint by number 12. What a pass, pero andon ang Panthers para pigilan ang play na yun. Number 24. Shoutout sa ating personnel ng Ateneo Naga University Gymnasium na pinapanatiling magandang ang ating hardcore division. Maraming salamat po.
And yung safety ng players ay minimingtain nila.
Yes, para sa safety rin. Thank you very much po. Gawa ng bola, pero bola pa rin ng ating Panthers. There's gonna be a substitution. Papasok na si number 10 and number 19 ng Panthers. 59-47 with 7 minutes and 13 seconds. Lamang pa rin po ang ating Shepherdville. Napagandang pasa noon. Number 16 fires for 3 and is good for a 3-pointer. At andun si Atos. Number 4, heavily guarded by number 19. Number 11, setting a play. Pass to the inside and kicks out to number 24 for 3. No good. Pero napikan ng bola and bola ng ating Annunciation. Ay, bola pa rin ng Shepherdville Rams. Number 24. Nakita natin ngayon, Frances, na nagkakaroon ng napakahigpit na depensa ng bawat kupunan.
And halos dikit yung puntos ng bawat kupunan,
Yes,
Russell.
Siyam na lang ang hinahabol ngayon ng ating Panthers. Number 16, pass to number 10. Matos, napakabilis, napakagandang pass sa loob nun. And number 29, Fajardo, uses the glass for a 2-pointer. What a communication na binibigay sa atin ni number 10 and number 29 ng Panthers.
7 points na lang ang laman ng Shepherdville Rams.
3-pointer, no good, pero ando si number 4 for a second chance effort, and it's good for an offensive rebound, and of course materializing that rebound and converting it into a score. Number 16, number 10 fakes back to number 16 for a 3-pointer, no good, pero ayun ang sipag ni Matos. Nakita ko walang
ayun sa instant replay.
Kitang-kita sa instant replay paano nakunin at agawin pa rin ng bola just to get the ball possession ng Panthers. Napakasipag ng player na ito, mga kaibigan. Kabang-abang talaga ito si Matos. Number 10 will create an inbound play para sa ating Panthers. Pass to number 2. Back to number 10 for a 3-pointer, and it's good for a 3-pointer. Number 10, Matos.
Sipag nga, Russell. Sobrang sipag sa hardcore.
Napaka-efficient ito pagdating sa 3-point shooting. At may nakita ang ating referee, number 11 of the Rams. And there's gonna be the ball possession. We go to the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Babalik si number 9. Papahinga muna si number 11.
5 minutes and 22 seconds para sa ating third quarter. 61 against 55 and labang pa rin ang Shepherdville Rams.
That's good. First throw. No good. But meron pa rin pong ball possession. Sa kanila pa rin ang ball possession. Number 10, Matos. Back to number 19. Fires for 3. No goal pero andun. Si number 16, what a rebound. Binali pa ni Matos. And he uses the glass for a 2-pointer. Tatlo na lang ang inahabol ngayon ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Number 28, fires for 3. No good. Pero andun si number 8. At may nakita ang ating referee. And there's a foul from the side of the Shepherdville Rams. Number 8. The ball possession will go to the side of our Panthers.
Shoutout kay Ronel Esquilo Abando. Go, go, Matos. And shoutout din kay Fred Buenavante.
Ayun. Tinawagin nga ng traveling violation ng ating referee. And we have a timeout called by the Shepherdville Rams with the score 61-58. Lawang lang po ng tatlo ang ating Rams with 4 minutes and 45 seconds. And we are still live here at GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium. And dito pa rin po kayo nakatutok sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Live na live pa rin tayo dito sa loob ng GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium para ihatid sa inyo ang aksyon dito sa hard court. 61 against 58 and lamang para ng ang Shepherdville Rams.
Yun nga, partner. And to shoot, number 9, crossing over, pero he still managed to get the ball. At ando ng kakampi, and may nakitang foul ang ating referee. Tatawag sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. The number 28 will step on the line for a free throw. 4 minutes and 24 seconds sa ating third quarter, mga kaibigan.
Shoutout ko kay Norly Fula. Galing yan kay Harold Fula. And go, Mark Lester Matos. Grabe yung mga fans ni Matos dito sa ating FB Live.
Oo, sikat yata ito si Idol Matos sa SORSOGON. Last throw, jumpers ready. good for his last throw. Ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers. Number 10, Matos, crosses over. Tatawagan ng foul ang number 28 from the side of the Shepherdville Rams. And number 10, Matos, stop on the line for free throws. And to give us an update kung bakit ba napatawag ng timeout ang ating Shepherdville Rams, andyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Janelle. Hello Janelle, kumusta ang update? Ano ang napag-usapan during the timeout?
Yes, thank you Russell. Makikitang humahabol na ang Panthers kontra Rams, kaya palaging advice ni Coach na panatilihin ang kanilang depensa upang mas patuloy na lamangan ang mga Panthers. Always set the play. Yun lamang update dito, balik sa inyo.
Ang napag-usapan during the timeout. Napaka gandang timing yun ng timeout kasi napansin na ng ating head coach ng Rams na medyo nakakahabol na nga ang ating Annunciation Panthers.
Ayun. Monitor yung patterns and tandaan kung which one leads to success and which one leads to defeat.
Ayun, maraming salamat. Ayun, gawa ng bola, pero nakuha pa rin ang ating Panthers. Pero nakuha ulit ang ating Rams. Wala, number 16. Kanina pa tumapak ng rebound na binibigay sa atin na number 16. Number 8, crosses over. And what a defense pinakita ng Rams. Just for him to commit a traveling violation, a turnover.
Ramdam na ramdam yung gigil ng Panthers na padagdagan yung score at makahabol sa Rams.
Sabi nga, totoo nga yung sinabi ni Coach Ron na may oras, hanggat may oras, pwede pang makahabol at masyado pang maaga yung dalawang quarter natin. Nakita natin yun ngayon, mga kaibigan, they cut their lead. Apat na lang hinahabol nila. But there's a timeout called from the side of the Panthers. 62-58, lamang pa rin po ang Shepherdville Rams ng apat with remaining time 3 minutes and 33 seconds. Still live here at Ateneo-Naga University Gymnasium. Mr. watching on GNTV Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Short stopper using the block.
Last throw is good. You know what? They extend their lead into 8. At bola pa rin ng Shepherdville Rams. With Shepherdville Rams with 14-second shot clock. Number 5. Kicks out to number 20. Pass to number 4. Pero medyo napalakas ang pasang yon.
And ngayon na Russell, tawagin muli natin ang ating kasamang courtside reporter na si Kim kasama ang Panthers. Hi Kim, ano ang update mo dyan?
And Francis, the tables are turning dahil mas kumukonti na ang puntos na dapat habulin ngayon ng Annunciation Panthers. From 3 points, pisikalan at set plays, the Panthers are making sure that they will dominate this game. During the huddle, Coach Ron commended the team but also said na huwag nang sayangin ang napaghirapang puntos. May isang quarter pa at hindi pa tapos ang laban, kaya naman huwag susuko and finish this game strong. Ika nga ni Coach Ron. Back out defense at screening naman ang plano nila for the remaining minutes of this quarter. Russell and Francis.
Maraming salamat Kim at napagandang sinabi ni Coach Ron, and he congratulated his players for the effort and yung depensa na pinakita ng Panthers para lang mahabol ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Abang-abang ang natitirang oras at lalo na ang huling quarter natin dito sa ating Game 1 para sa hapon na ito.
And ngayon, ang bilis ng oras patapos na ang ating third quarter.
Yun. Bola pa rin ng ating Shepherdville Rams, number 9. Pero they managed to rebound it. Number 28, tatandol si number 13 to stop him from creating a point. What a block by number 18. By number 13, sorry. Score natin 68-58, lamang punang 10 ang ating Shepherdville Rams with 1 minute and 19 seconds. Number 10. Number 10. Set the play. Find his teammate and medyo napalakas ang kanyang pasa. That's gonna be a turnover. Bola ngayon ng ating ng ating Annunciation Panthers.
And shoutout po kay Oscar Beltrana Jr. from Gabriel. And shoutout din kay Decano John.
Yun, maraming salamat sa pagtutok.
Rooting for the win of Annunciation. Galing yan kay Kiel Diuda.
We only have 1 minute and 1 second para sa ating third quarter. Number 19, inbound the ball, and there's gonna be a 5 seconds violation na itatawag sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Ang bola ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams. A chance to extend their lead. Seconds to play sa ating third quarter. Number 9, setting a play. Pass to number 24. Napakagandang inside pass doon. And number 5, good for 2. Number 2, pass to number 13. Number 13, back to number 2. Inside pass, napakagandang blind pass noon. Pero nakakuha ng foul si number 13. He will step on the line for a free throw.
And meron na lang tayong 33 seconds para sa ating third quarter. Eto na, palapit na ating fourth quarter at magkakaalaman na tayo, Russell, kung sino ba ang mag-aabante sa next round.
Sa ating bracket. 70-59. Lamang pa rin po ang ating Shepherdville Rams. 10 pa rin ang hinahabol ng ating Panthers. Number 10. Pass. Number 10. Set the play. Pinned by number 5. Bola. At doon, number 2. Transition play. Papakita natin ang Panthers. A point. What a block by number 9 of the Shepherdville Rams. That's Rivares Rafael. We only have 12 seconds to play sa ating third quarter. Number 10, Matos, fakes. Goes over, floater shot, wala. At andun ang ating Rams to get the rebound. Pero nakuha pa rin ng ating Panthers, 2 seconds left. And may nakitang foul ang ating referee with 1 second left sa ating third quarter. Gonna be a penalty on the line. Number 13, Ariscon. No good for his first throw. Frances, ang ating last quarter. Masyadong dikit ang ating laban.
10 puntos na lang ang ihahabol ng
At nabawasan ba yan dahil nakapasok ang second free throw. Siyam na lang ang inahabol sa atin ng Panthers. And that's gonna be the end of the third quarter. 70-61 lamang pa rin po ng siyam ang ating Shepherdville Rams. And nandito pa rin tayo sa GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium. And you're still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back with the fourth and last quarter.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way, number 2 makes in a foul. Shortstopper using the bat. All the way, number 2 makes in a foul.
Live na live pa rin tayo dito sa loob ng Ateneo-Naga University Gymnasium para sa inaabangang Bucal Season 4. And eto nga, sa mga nagtatanong, ang next game po natin ay Mariners Blue Dolphins versus the USI Falcons pagkatapos po ng game na to. And patapos na nga kasi dito na tayo sa ating fourth quarter.
At ayun, abangan po natin ang ating last game sa araw na ito. Back to the ball game. Walang pukurap dahil marami pang pwedeng mangyari sa last quarter ng ating hapon, ng ating laban ngayong hapon. And nakuha nga ng 2-pointer. 7 na lang po ang inahabol ng ating Annunciation Panthers.
And shoutout po kay Francia Alianza and shoutout din kay Thank you po.
Shepherdville Rams, ball possession. At napakagandang depensa yun. Yan dito ng ating Panthers. Number 10, napakabilis. Uses the glass for a 2-pointer. And they cut the lead into 5. 5 na lang ang inahabol ngayon ng Panthers.
Napakabilis ni number 10 Matos. Yung energy niya parang maintain na maintain simula nung first quarter.
Number 9, bars for 3. Number 19, finding his teammate, setting a play. Number 7, drives the ball, uses the glass, and it's good for a two-pointer by number 7 of the Panthers. Number 24, crossing over, pass to number 5. Number 9.
Ngayon, Russell, for a quick update, tawagin na muli natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kim kasama ang Panthers. Hi Kim, ano ang update dyan during the timeout?
Yes, Russell and Francis, despite the efforts na makahabol during the third quarter, lumalamang pa rin ang Shepherdville Rams. Kaya naman this fourth quarter is very crucial for our Annunciation Panthers. Kaya naman, Coach Ron instructed that the Panthers should not slack off at ipakita sa kilos na talagang kaya nila. Dagdag pa ni Coach Ron, ang ganda ng depensa sa ibabaw at ng kanilang fight screen, pero kulang sa ilalim na depensa. Thus, the Panthers will intensify their efforts for this remaining quarter. Russell and Francis?
Maraming salamat, Kim, sa update mo from the side of the Panthers. So, yun na nga, nakita naman natin at pinapanindigan ng advice ng head coach ng Annunciation na hindi pwedeng, sabi nga, no time for slacking off sa side ng ating Panthers. They cut the lead. Nahabol ng ating Panthers.
And mukhang hindi naman talaga nagre-relax yung ating Panthers. Unti-unti nilang binabawi yung score at liit na yung laban.
And the effort to there's gonna be a substitution. Pasok po si number 28 yung nagpapahinga muna. Number 9 for the side of Shepherdville Rams. Number 24 will bow the ball. Pass to number 10. Number 10 fires for 3. No good. Pero doon pa rin ang number 20 na 8 ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Pero may nakita ang ating referee at tawagan siya ng traveling violation. Ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers. Ito nga, Frances, pinapakita dito ay isang full court press para sa defense ng ating Panthers. Another turnover, traveling violation from number 29 of Shepherdville.
At ngayon naman, tawagin natin si Janelle kasama ang Shepherdville Rams. Hi Janelle, pwede mo naman kami bigyan ng update dyan.
Yes, thank you Frances. Patuloy na humahabol ang Panthers at patuloy din na pinapalakas ang depensa ng Rams. Last 10 minutes of this game and during the huddle, the coaches of the Rams wanted the boys to have a hard play at kung para sa players, malakas na ang depensa nila sa unang 3 quarters, mas kailangan pa nila itong palakasin upang makuha ang panalo. Yun lamang update dito, balik sa inyo.
Pa-update binigay sa atin ni Janelle. Maraming salamat, Janelle.
And habang nag-update si Janelle, napakagandang 3 points ang binigay ni 19 Obregon.
Nagiging mainit po ang ating hardcourt dito, mga kaibigan.
1 puntos na lang ang kanilang...
Isa na lang ang hinahabol, pero dito sa ating comment section, ipapa-shoutout ang ating Boss Karepa. Shoutout po sa iyo. And inintay ka po ng iyong kupunan, Coach Boss Karepa. Maraming salamat po sa panonood.
And laban lang Shepherdville. Galing yan kay Mary Rose Bauca.
Maraming salamat po. Wag po kayong aalis. Kapit lang mga kaibigan. Dahil marami pong pwedeng mangyari sa ating natitirang oras, 6 minutes and 55 seconds.
And a shoutout din kay Salve Maridaep from Jude Eduarte. Okay, and a shoutout din kay Jude Eduarte.
Ito talaga yung hinihintay natin ang fourth quarter, lalong-lalo na kapag may mga ganitong sitwasyon kung saan napaka-close ang ating laban Napaka-exciting. Hindi lang tayo dito, pati rin ang ating online viewers. I'm sure they are very excited to
Tutok na
watch,
tutok.
and they are really focusing on the game. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta at panunood.
And go lang Shepherdville, galing yan kay Josh Alba. Shoutout kay number 3 sa Shepherd, Jan. Galing yan kay Jan Alian Candano. And Russell, binibigyan tayo ng magandang laban ng Shepherdville Rams and the Annunciation Panthers.
Yun. We also acknowledge our live audience here na sumusuporta sa ating Shepherdville Rams and Annunciation Panthers. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtutok at sa inyong pagsuporta.
Ayun na. Punong-puno rin sila ng energy, hindi lang yung mga kanilang sinusuportahang team. Kasi kanina pa sila sigawan every time na nakakascore ang kanilang paboritong kupunan.
Ayun. Maraming salamat. Unti-unti na pong napupuno ang ating Ateneo-Naga Gymnasium para sa ating Bucal Games ngayong hapon.
And pasalamatan natin, Russell, ang ating sponsors. Mga sponsors, andyan ang Naga College Foundation, Congressman Gabby Bordado of 3rd District, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated, globally competitive, choose Mariners. We also have NGCP, National Grid Corporation of the Philippines, Cafe Amigo, Pechilitos Resort, Camsur Viaje, Sleep Pads, Capsule Beds by Lueli, Own Style Graphic Design Services, AET Ads.
And we also would like to thank GNTV-Naga, Wow, Rolls of Water, Lemon Residences, Nagayon Travel Tours, Nancy Private School, and Converge ICT Solutions. We are back in the ball game. Pasok ngayon sa number 11, number 9 of the Shepherdville Rams. Pero bola ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Number 16, finding his teammate. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Setting a play. Panthers. Fires for 3. No good. Pero nandun ang kanyang kampe for a reverse layup. Number 13. And pinaka. Lumamang na ang Annunciation Panthers ng isa. Napagandang crossover nun to number 11. Number 10. Fires for 3. No good. Nandun si number 12. Over number 11. Number 4. Drives the ball. Kicks out to number 9. Fakes. Number 9. Set back 3. No good. Pero nakuha niya pa rin ang bola. Alley pass. Wala. Number 12. Third chance effort. And it's good. For a short jumper. Number 12 of Shepherdville Rams. Napagandang effort binibigay sa atin ng Rams. Just stay in their lead. Number 10, napakabilis. Uses the glass for a transition play. And napatawag na ng timeout ang ating Annunciation Panthers. 77-74. Lamang po ng tatlo ang ating Shepherdville Rams with 5 minutes and 46 seconds. Dito pa rin tayo sa Ateneo-Naga University Gymnasium, and you're still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the bat of the Bucal. All the way, Triple Dumers and a foul. short jumper using the block for 2 points. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul.
We are back live here dito sa Ateneo-Naga University Gymnasium. Shepherdville Rams versus the Annunciation Panthers, and dikit na dikit ang laban. Russell, para sa ating fourth quarter, and meron na lang tayong 5 minutes and 46 seconds.
77 to 74. Number 10, Matos. Bounce pass to number 7, back to number 10. Number 10 fires for 3 and it's good for a 3-pointer. And we have a tie ball game here, mga kaibigan. 77 all. Napakagandang laro to. Number 9. Number 9, step back pull-up shot and it's good. What a play by number 9, Vivares.
Sagutan talaga.
Sagutan to, mga kaibigan. Number 10, pass to number 13. Number 19, what a block by number 12. Love pass to number 11. Takes, pero wala. Sayang nun. Ang libreng layup ngayon, pero lamang pa rin sila, mga kaibigan. Lamang pa rin ang dalawa ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Bola ngayon ng Annunciation Panthers. Number 19. Back to number 10. Matos fires for a long 3-pointer and it's good! Another 3-pointer from Matos.
And grabe yung hiyawan dito sa Adno Gymnasium.
Grabe ang supporter ng ating Panthers. Baka galing pa itong SORSOGON yung as na dito sa ating live audience. Lamang po ng isa ang ating Annunciation Panthers.
Yun. And hindi na babawasan ng ating FB Live viewers, kundi mas nadadagdagan pa. Maraming salamat po.
And to give us an update, coming from the timeout, ano kaya maging adjustment at game plan ngayon sa natitirang 4 minutes and 26 seconds ng Annunciation Panthers. Tawagin natin si Kim. Hello Kim, ano ang update?
Russell and Francis, fourth quarter is really something dahil mas tumitindi ang aksyon at tensyon sa laban na ito between Panthers and Rams. Sagutan na naman ng tres, Russell and Francis. Dikita na ang score, kaya naman mas sinisiguro ng Panthers ngayon na hindi na matambakan but rather lead the scoreboard. Ngayong konting minuto na lamang natitira sa ating fourth quarter. Coach Ron said na tulungan ang bawat miyembro and to work as a team. Lahat ay dapat gumilos, lahat ay dapat naisa na makapuntos. Russell and Francis.
Maraming salamat Kim. Narinig po natin, lahat dapat kumilos sa natitirang 3 minutes and 57 seconds.
And lamang na ng isang puntos ang ating Panthers.
Natin, tumakalamang rin ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Number 10, attempted shot, no good. Pero nandun si number 28 ng Rams. But there's a stepping on the line violation. And bola ngayon ng ating Panthers. Number 10, Matos, napakabilis. Number 10, pass to number 13. Number 13, apikan ng bola. And bola pa rin ng ating Panthers. 3 minutes and 41 seconds left. 79 to 80. 1 point lead by the Panthers. Number 19 drives the ball, plays it over, no good, at tatawagan ng foul from the side of the Shepherdville Rams. Number 12, pushing foul.
Ito sa ating instant replay.
Ito natin sa ating instant replay.
Ay, 3 minutes and 35 seconds na lang ang natitirang oras sa ating fourth quarter. And aabangan natin kung sino magwawagi sa ating Game 1.
Number 19 is good for his first throw. Dalawa na ngayon ang lamang ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Nice throw. 79-82. And we have a timeout called by the Shepherdville Rams, 79-81. Lamang po ng dalawang ating Annunciation Panthers with 3 minutes and 35 seconds left sa ating fourth and last quarter. We are still live here at GNTV-Naga, University Gymnasium, and nandito pa rin po kayo at kasama namin nanonood sa GNN Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and we will be right back.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way, number 2 makes him a foul. Shortstopper using the bat. All the way, number 2 makes him a foul.
We are back alive here at GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium at sobrang init ng laban. Shepherdville Rams clashing with Annunciation Panthers.
Ayun nga, meron lang tayong 3 minutes and 35 seconds sa ating fourth and last quarter. Ano kaya mamaya malalaman natin kung ano ba yung napag-usapan during the timeout ng kupunan ng Shepherdville Rams.
Pero eto, magkakaalaman tayo sa loob ng 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Yes, mga kaibigan, bola ngayon ng ating Panthers, number 9. Setting up play. Asking for a screen, number 9. Crosses over. Number 9 fires for 3 and it's good! For a pull-up 3 by number 9, Ibares of the Shepherdville Rams. Number 10, Matos. And there's going to be a turnover, a traveling violation from number 10, Matos.
Eto, 82 all sa ating 3 minutes.
Walang kurap mga kaibigan. We only have 3 minutes left sa ating fourth and last quarter. Number 9, another 3 for number 9, no good. Rebounded by number 16 of the Annunciation Panthers. Number 16. Setting a play. Back to number 10, Matos. Tatawagan ng foul to number 3. 2 minutes and 39 seconds left. We have a tie ball game here, mga kaibigan. Number 10, Matos. Tries to penetrate the ball, but there's the defense stop ng ating Rams. Ang transition play na pakita sa atin ng Rams ngayon. Karoon nga ng 2 points ang ating Rams. Love pass. Number 13. 1-1 against number 4. And a 2-pointer from number 13 of Panthers. Parehas pa rin ang ating score, mga kaibigan. 84 all with 2 minutes and 4 seconds. At ayun na nga, number number 9, Vivares. Merong pang kasamang foul.
Gandang laban. Galing yan kay Mary Rose Baupa. Magandang laban po talaga.
A chance for a and one play. And to give us an update, ano ba na pag-usapan ng Shepherdville Rams na nakaraang timeout, tawagin natin si Janelle. Hello Janelle, ano ang update during the timeout?
Thank you, Russell. And we have a tight ball game at nagkakaroon ng malaking gitgitan ang Rams kontra Panthers at nagkakaroon na din ng malaking tension dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium. Pero sabi nga ni Coach, konting oras na lang at ipatuloy pa din ang laban para may uwi ang kanilang panalo. Yun lamang update dito. Balik sa inyo.
Salamat po sa quick update coming from the side of Shepherdville Rams. Yun nga mga kaibigan, napakagandang play na nakita sa atin ng Annunciation Panthers.
86 all na ngayon.
Just to tie the game. Abangan natin kung magkakaroon ba tayo dito ng overtime. Pero si number 16, napakabilis at half time for number 16. Good for 2 by number 16. 86-88 with 1 minute and 19 seconds left sa ating fourth quarter. Number 26, rebounded by number 10. Transition play, pass. At ayun na nga, another points from number 16 to extend their lead into 4. At napatawag na ng timeout ang Shepherdville Rams, 86-90. With 1 minute and 8 seconds to play, we are still live here at Ateneo Naga University Gymnasium. Mga kaibigan, tutok lang po kayo dito sa GNTV Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back. Grabe.
Short stopper using the block.
Patapos na ang ating fourth quarter at nakahabol ang Annunciation Panthers. Pero meron pa rin isang minuto at makikita natin at aabangan kung makakahabol muli ang Shepherdville Rams.
Napakahaba pa nito. Frances, 1 minute. Marami bang pwedeng mangyari dito. Depende sa mga hinandang play ng ating bawat pupunan. 86-90. Number 4 will inbound the ball. Creating an inbound play. Number 24. Setting a play. Back to number 4. Number 9, fires for 3. No good. Pero ang goal sa number 10. Nakuha ni Matos. Pero sayang. Napigilan pa rin ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Pero nakita na ating referee. There's stepping on the line. At bola pa rin ng ating Annunciation Panthers. There's a substitution. Pasok si number 12. Number 19 will create an inbound play. Pass to number 2, but still by number 12. Number 12 plays it over. No good, pero goes to number 9 for a follow-up. Number 9. Number 7, 1-1 to number 10. Throws it over. Number 7, no good. What? A block by number 10. Pero bola pa rin ng Annunciation. We only have 37 seconds left. 88 to 90. Dalawa lang po ang hinahabol ngayon ng Rams.
And ngayon, Russell, nagre-review muna kung ano ba ang nangyari kanina ang ating mga referee.
Ayun, makita natin dito sa instant replay. Ano ba ang magiging desisyon ng ating mga referees?
Panthers for the win. Go Panthers. Ito na, nag-iingay na rin ang mga fans ng Annunciation Panthers dito sa ating FB Live.
Ayun, what a tight ball game. Napakita sa atin ngayon ng Rams and Panthers.
Okay, shout out kay Jelay Chavez and Neri Joy Loyal Fajardo. Go, 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 Mark Clester Matos from Red Hamor. And shout out din kay Francis Michael Bonito. Thank you for watching.
We only have 37 seconds left para sa ating fourth and last quarter. Tingnan natin kung magkakaroon ba tayo ng overtime. And kung magkataon, ito ata ang ating first overtime sa ating Season 4 ng Bucal. Napakagandang laro. Napakita ng dalawang kupunan. Wala pong tatayo. Walang kukurap. And shout out sa ating live audience dito sa GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium. Maraming salamat po sa panunood at pagsuporta.
Sabay-sabay yung kanilang hiyawan every time nakaka-score yung magkabilang panig.
Natin, ano ba yung magiging desisyon ng ating table official? Yun, same ball. Bola pa rin. Ang Annunciation Panthers. Number 10 will inbound the ball, setting an inbound play. Pass to number 16, Almine. Number 19, 31 seconds to play. Number 10, Matos. Number 10, fourth jumper, no good. Pero ando si number 12 to rebound the ball. Nagpass si number 3, and habol pa rin number 16. Just to get the ball. What a stop. Bigay sa atin ni number 16. Tayo natin ano ba ang magiging desisyon ng ating referee. And while the referee and the head coach of the Annunciation Panthers requested for a review. So habang nire-review po ng ating referee, we will be having a short break.
And ayun na nga, Russell, para sa ating viewers, FB Live viewers, for more updates and para maabangan nyo ang aming mga FB Live dito sa Bucal Season 4. You can follow, like, and share our Facebook page, GNNTV-48 Facebook page at Bucal Facebook page. And ayun nga, nagkikita natin, nagsisipasukan na yung mga fans ng USI Falcons and CSPC, Mariners Blue Dolphins para sa ating second game.
Ayun, may bad, wala palang break kasi you only have 13 seconds.
13 seconds. Grabe. And grabe. 2 puntos lang ang lamang ng Annunciation Panthers. And eto nga partner, baliktad ay bilog talaga yung bola.
Yes, mga kaibigan, and meron ng desisyon ng ating mga referee, and that's gonna be the ball possession of the Shepherdville Rams. 13 seconds left. So, pwedeng gawin dito ng ating Rams. Kung pwede lang gawin, magkaroon sila ng 3-point play para tuluyan na ang manalo sa laban na ito, or just a 2-pointer just to tie the ball game. 5 seconds left. Number 4 block, pero doon si number 12. What a save by number 12. Kahit naka-partner, kinabahan rin ako doon. What an effort nilagay sa atin ng ating Shepherdville Rouse, number 12. At napatawagan ng timeout ang ating Annunciation Panthers. Ano kaya ang gagawin ngayon ng Panthers just to win the game?
Sa loob ng 2 segundo.
Meron na lang po mga kaibigan 2 seconds to play. Walang kukurap. Kanina hindi na rin ako kahit huminga. Parang nakalimutan ko na.
Pero hindi ka pumipikit, Russell.
Bawal dito ang kumurap. Mga kaibigan, abangan natin ano bang opensa ay papakita ng Panthers.
Let's go! Galing yan kay Boss Carepa. Thank you for watching.
At ano rin ba ay papakitang depensa ngayon ng ating Rams. Mga kaibigan, walang kukurap. Meron lang tayong 2 seconds remaining. Sino ba ang magwawagi sa labanang ito? Shepherdville Rams versus Annunciation Panthers. Feeling ko hindi rin dito magpa-foul ang ating Rams. And they will do everything just to stop the Annunciation Panthers from scoring. 7, 4, good, and we have an overtime, mga kaibigan.
Ito yung sinasabi mo kanina, Russell. First time ngayong Bucal Season 4 magkakaroon ng overtime.
Hindi nga ako nagkamali at magkakaroon tayo ng overtime. Whew! What a game!
Grabe yung Shepherdville Rams and yung Annunciation Panthers.
Meron tayong 5 minuto para sa ating overtime. Ating game 1 pa lang ang araw na ito.
And maraming salamat po sa aming FB Live viewers na kanina nga Russell 500 lang. Eh ngayon 800 na halos mag 900 na yung viewers natin dyan. Thank you so much po, and shout out kay Mary Rose Lopez Bauca.
And habang naghihintay tayo bumalik overtime, tutok pa rin po kayo. Nandito kami dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium, and you're still watching at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back for a short break.
Short jumper using the back. All the way. Look for 2 minutes and a foul.
atensyon dito sa loob ng hard court. Shepherdville Rams versus the Annunciation Panthers. At eto nga, Russell, nagkaroon tayo ng
Overtime. We have 5 minutes to play para sa ating overtime. At a 3-pointer off the glass by number 10 of the Shepherdville Rams.
Nothing but net kay Arenio.
Number 10, Matos. Fires for 3 and it's also good! 4-3! Sagutan na naman ang Tres. Naku po, ang init ng ating hapon.
Yung sagutan ng Tres nagsimula sa fourth quarter hanggang dito sa overtime.
At nagsimula pa nung first quarter.
First quarter yun.
Dala-dala hanggang fourth quarter. Number 9, pass to number 10. Digs out to number 3. Fakes, number 3. Number 4. Fakes. Sayang ng reverse layup na yun. Nakakuha pa rin siya ng foul. And I believe meron siyang 2 free throw.
And shoutout po kay Romney Katanay. Ganing yung kaya Jonathan Mabana.
Mga kaibigan, tutok lang po kayo. 93 all. At mukhang aabot ayon ng 100 dito.
Mukhang first time magkaka-100 yung Bucal Season 4.
Mukhang first time rin. And to give us an update, ano ba ang magiging adjustment and game plan ng Panthers, let's call in Kim. Hello Kim, kumusta? Ano ang update sa side ng Panthers?
Russell and Francis, that last shot from the Rams was a game changer. Kaya naman ang possible win na sana ng Annunciation Panthers ay nauwi pa sa overtime. Coach Ron asserted that any kind of screen the Panthers should switch, ipagpatuloy ang komunikasyon sa loob ng court at attack mentality because the Rams is a tough team. If the Panthers will triple hustle and will not back down for this overtime, the team may anticipate that this game is gonna be for them. Russell and Francis.
Maraming salamat Kim para sa update from the side of the Panthers. And there's gonna be a turnover. Bola ng Shepherdville Rams.
3 minutes.
94 to 95. Lamang ng isa ang ating Annunciation Panthers. Number 9, pass to number 10. Number 10, no good. Gawa ng bola at napapanatili pa rin bola ng Shepherdville Rams. Yung lang 3 minutes and 11 seconds left para sa ating first overtime. Ano kaya kung magkakaroon ng second overtime? Abang-abang ito. Napaka-close na, napaka-tight ng ating laro. Isa lang ang lamang, isa lang ang hinahabol. Number 24. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Spin move, pull-up shot, no good. Pero andun si number 7. Pero nakuha pa rin ni number 12. Kanina pa to si number 12. What an effort na binibigay sa atin ni number 12. Siya yung naging savior kanina ng Shepherdville Rams.
Yan si Abuela, Joshua Abuela.
And to give us an update as well, kung ano rin ang magiging adjustment game plan ng Shepherdville Rams para sa overtime na ito, let's call in Janelle. Hello Janelle, kamusta? Ano ang update dyan? And babalikan natin si Janelle maya-maya lang mga kaibigan. For now, number 12 on the line. His last throw. And no good para sa last throw. Rebounded by number 10. And there is a foul. Bola ng ating Panthers. And nga, ready na ang ating court reporter all the way from the bench of the Shepherdville Rams. Hello Janelle, kamusta? Anong update dyan?
And we have our overtime. Tuloy-tuloy ang aksyon at tensyon dito sa hard court. During the huddle, the coaches wanted their boys to go hard to the basket at maging masipag sa paghanap ng opportunity to make good shots. Patuloy ang labanan at patuloy ang aksyon dito lamang sa laban ng Shepherdville Rams at Annunciation Panthers. Tuloy-tuloy ang pagtutok nyo dito. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Janelle, sa quick update from the bench of the Shepherdville Rams.
And 94 against 95 para sa ating overtime, and lamang ng isang puntos ang Annunciation na Panthers. And meron na lang tayong 2 minutes 5 seconds.
And we'll see if they can extend their lead. Number 10, Matos. They set a play. Number 10, diretso. Tapik ang bola, nakuha ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Number 12. Last pass to number 3. Crosses over, back to number 12. Number 12. No good, pero nandun si number 2 to get the rebound from the side of the Panthers. Matos. Back to number 2. Pass to number 2. Number 19. The shot of play. Crosses over. Nabutawan yung bola, pero nandun yung number 2. Recover the ball. Number 7. Drives the ball. Kicks out to number 2. Short jumper. Airball. No good, pero nandun si number 7 to get the rebound. And love pass to number 10. Pero nakahabol agad si number 2 ng ating Ram. Pero nandun si number 12 to get the steal. Number 12. Diretso. No good, pero nakuha niya pa rin. Kapigan ng bola. Matos. On the side of Panthers. 1 minute na lang tayo, mga kaibigan. 1 minute and 34 seconds left. Number 10, Matos. Pass to number 19. Pass for 3. And it's good for a 3-pointer.
Number 19.
Number 19. There's a substitution. Pasok sa number 4 and number 9 of the Shepherdville Rams. Apat na po ang hinahabol ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams.
And a shout out po kay John Gabriela Basbas Francisco. Thank you for watching.
What a 3-pointer by number 16. Tama, yung number 16 yung naka 3 points kanina.
Number si Obrego ni Yona Russell. Ayun, number 19.
Bola ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams. Naroon na po tayo ng mga substitutions.
One minute and 25 seconds para sa ating overtime. And lamang ng 4 points ang Panthers.
Vivares for 3! Kanina pa to! What a shot! Isa na lang ang hinahabol ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams. Number 15, ang lapas. Pass to number 19. 4-3. No good. But nandun yung rebound ni number 13. Pass to number 2. And sealed by number 9. Vivares all the way. Uses the glass. No good. Rebounded by number 15. Manlapas. And tignan natin. Bola ng Shepherdville Rams with 48 seconds. Na bola po na ating Shepherdville Rams, number 5. Will set the play. Pass to number 4. Finding his teammate. Pass to number 9, Vivares. Number 9 drives the ball, uses the glass, no good. And then to number 5 for a second chance effort. No good. Number 10 for 3. No good. Nakuha pa rin. Nakuha na ng ating Panthers. Diretso. Number 2. Labas number 15. Uses the glass and it's good. At may kasama pang foul. Number 15. Manlapas. Wow. What a play. 17 seconds left. 97 to 100. At ito na nga.
Yung first 100 ay binigay ng
Annunciation
Panthers para sa ating Bucal Season 4.
Number 15 will step on the line for an end one play. Let's see if people complete a 3-point play. Number 15, Manlapas. Jumpers ready. Meron lang po itong isang free throw. Tatlo lang. Pag nakapasok to, 4 na. Ang hahabulin ngayon ng Panthers. Yun na nga. Napatawag ko ng timeout ang ating Shepherdville Rams. 101-97. Annunciation Panthers leading by 4 with 17 seconds to play. Ano kaya ang magiging plano ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams? To tie the ball game or even to win the game?
And for sure, Russell, tuwang-tuwa ang mga Sorsoganon dyan sa kanila dahil nakabawi ang kanilang Annunciation College Panthers. Pero may 17 seconds pa rin tayo and makikita natin dito kung may pagbabago bang mangyayari para sa overtime.
Ikaw ito, Dave! Ikaw ito, ano? Dito ka muna, ano? Dito ka! Split ka muna! Split ka muna! Labas! Okay! Safety! Pasa! Okay, safety! Then, screen! Then, take mo! Okay, take quick na! Saka pag wala, basta tayo dito pila! Okay, magtay! 1, 2, 3! Tutuin niyo pa din, mga naman!
Game tayo mga kaibigan. Walang kukurap. Posible pa itong magtay.
Walang kukurap sa loob ng 17 na segundo.
Number 10 will inbound the ball and will try to create an inbound play. Kanino kaya ipapasa ng number 10? Back to number 12. Number 12 finding his teammate. Kaninong bola? Same ball tayo. Meron lang tayong 11 seconds to play. Number 4, Rico, will enter the court. Number 10 will inbound the ball. Number 24, fires for 3. No good. Rebounded by the Panthers. Muntik pang mabitawan. Nagawa ng bola. Number 16, pass to number 2. What a spin move. Pero nakuha pa rin ng Panthers. And that's gonna be the end of our ball game. What a game. 101-97. Sabi ko, sa labanang ito, Annunciation Panthers versus Shepherdville Rams. Panalo ang ating Annunciation Panthers. Wow, partner. Napakagandang laro ito. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta. Pero wag mo na kayong aalis. At sa aming pagbabalik, makikila natin ang ating best player of the game. Dito pa rin tayo sa Shepherdville-Naga University Gymnasium. Mr. Watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Nice. We are back live here at Annunciation University Gymnasium at ito nga ang isa sa mga inaabangan ng ating live viewers and ng ating mga TV viewers, ang best player of the game. And our player of the game is brought to you by the NCF Wings because Tigers can have wings. And nandyan na ang ating kasamang courtside reporter na si Kim para ipakilala ang best player of the game. Hi Kim, maaari mo na ipakilala ang best player natin dyan.
Yes, Russell and Francis, finally natapos rin ang laban. What a game brought to us by the Annunciation Panthers and Shepherdville Rams. Pero syempre, nagwagi ang ating Annunciation Panthers. And of course, a winning moment for our best player of the game. We have Mark Lester Matos with 32 points. 8 rebounds, 6 assists, 1 steal with 37 minutes played. Mark Lester Matos, congratulations! You are the best player of the game. Sabi ko kanina sa'yo, ikaw mag-best player, pero hindi ka naniwala. But here are now, ikaw ang ating best player. Kamusta naman?
Nagpapasalamat ako syempre kay God kasi binigyan kami ng magandang laban. Then kay Coach, sabi ni Coach, every game is a championship game kasi dito sa Naga ay madaming magagaling talagang team. Kaya chemistry yung binuhos namin dito. Then nagsama-sama kaming team para makuha tong panalong to.
Lester, Shepherdville was no joke. From first to third quarter lamang sila, pero nakahabol kayo ng fourth quarter. Panalo na sana pero nag-overtime pa. Yet kahit nag-overtime, kayo pa rin na nag-dominate sa ating close fight, makapigil hininga na laro. Ano ang binago nyo sa atake nyo at nakahabol kayo having you guys win this fight?
Sabi ni Coach, puso and then tatag lang and then kumpiyansa sa sarili yung ginamit namin. Sabi ni Coach, kumpiyansa lang talaga. Then pagpunta namin dito, grabe yung preparasyon na ginawa namin kasi yung nakita namin laro na Shepherd and Ateneo, nakuha namin yung nila, yung Diamonds trapping defense.
Lester, lahat kayo kitang-kita naman kanina na nag-contribute para sa inyong score, hindi lang sa mga pasok na tres, free throws, kundi pati na rin sa pag-encourage ng bawat isa. Bilang team captain at playmaker, how do you feel seeing your team na talaga nagtutulungan kayo at nagpapaangatan at nag-aangat sa bawat isa sa loob ng inyong team?
Bilang captain ball, syempre, inaadil ko yung teammates ko. Then sinasabihan ko sila na kumpiyansa sa sarili, enjoy the game. Huwag magpapa-pressure kasi yun nga, pag na-pressure, nawawala sa sarili yung laro.
Lester, we are live right now. Napapanood tayo worldwide. Shout out ka naman at bumate sa ating viewers.
Shout out nga po pala sa syempre sa Annunciation, Karamam Jean, Karamam Sonia, syempre yung may-ari ng school namin, then sa family ko, family Miatos, then sa mga Scribals dun sa Marikina, at shout out nga pala kay Sarah.
Ayan, once again, congratulations to our best player of the game from Annunciation College of Bacon, Sorsogon, Mark Lester Matos. Congratulations. That was really an intense game. Yan po mga kaibigan. This has been Kimberly Dialanes, your courtside reporter for the Annunciation Panthers. Back to the panel.
At ayun, maraming salamat Kim sa pagpakilala sa amin ng best player of the game, the team captain, the playmaker of the Annunciation Panthers.
Ayun na po. Congratulations.
Matos. And yun partner, konting discussion lang tayo ng performance ni Matos. Ever since the first quarter begins and all throughout the quarters, nakita natin yung patience, diba? Yung efficiency na binibigay ni Matos. At andun, hindi nawawalan ng pag-asa si Matos noon kasi natampakan din sila ng 15 points, diba? If I'm not mistaken, mga second quarter yon, inahabol nila yung 15 points na yon na lamang ng Shepherdville Rams. Pero kudos pa rin sa ating Shepherdville Rams kasi napakaganda ng pinakita ng Shepherdville Rams sa ating game 1 ngayong hapon. And
then nakita natin yung bilis and gilas ni Matos during the first quarter till nagkaroon ng overtime. Nagkaroon ng overtime. Kaya congratulations kay Mark Lester Matos. And sa mga FB Live viewers natin dyan, stay with us and don't change the channel. Pero pa rin tayong second game, USI Falcons versus the Mariners Blue Dolphins. And makikita-kita po tayo mamaya dito lang sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.